Hello, today we speak how to use vCloud availability disaster recovery and perform test failover and failover to disaster recovery site. First of all, we assume that the primary vCloud site is not available and we will log into failover vCloud director site. Press sign in. Open the top roll-down menu and choose vCloud Availability. In the vCloud Availability portal, we can see the protection statuses and protected vApps. And from the incoming replications panel, select the protected vApp that you want to perform. We will use from cloud. From the incoming and outgoing replications panel, you can do failover, test cleanup, test failover, and edit the configurations previously set for the replications, and also remove the protection. Here we can see all the vApps. First of all, we will do the test failover only with one vApp because we want to make sure that the failover actually works. So choose the vApp and click test failover. You want the power on recovered vApps, and for network settings, we will choose connect all virtual machines to network and choose the network. Click next. In the recovery instances, we will use manually select existing instances. By that, we will choose the last operational point in time for the vApp. Click it and click next. Here we can see the selected settings and we will click finish. Now the test failover will take some time. You can see the percentages here, but you can also look at them under replication tasks, where you can see basically the same info. A successful completion of the task results in a test image ready under the recovery state for the vApp and its virtual machines, which will eventually be over here. The vCloud director should also show the new virtual machine that it's been created at the moment, which is here. And if you click on this desktop image, you can see how it's starting the server. Let's go back to the vCloud availability. And now the test failover is completed, which showed that it worked. So we will also do the test cleanup for this vApp. The reason we do the test cleanup is just to reverse the test failover that we just did, so that we can go on to doing the failover to all the vApps, and just click it. Now that the test cleanup is complete, we now know that all the tests are over, and we will perform failover to all the vApps. So choose all the vApps, click failover. In the recovery settings page, we won't choose consolidate virtual machine disks because it will lose all the restore points set by availability. Those restore points will change to VMware snapshots, and you can use them to find the last good backup. Consolidate button, on the other hand, will destroy all the restore points and there will be no snapshots. We will leave the power on recovered vApps enabled, and for network settings we will choose connect all virtual machines to network, choose the network and click next. In the recovery instances, we will select the latest for every virtual machine. Click next. Review all the settings before proceeding and click finish. Now that the failover is started, the workload should be up and running, and we can see how the virtual machines are starting up at the data center. If you click on this desktop icon, then you can already see that all the virtual machines are in working order. Let's go back to the vCloud availability and incoming replications from cloud. There is also option to reverse failover when primary site will be operational again. For that, you need to select all the VMs. Here is the reverse button. When reverse is initiated, all the workload will be replicated back to the primary site where you can start it. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching this. If you liked the video, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified for the future Wavecom tutorial videos, and see you in the next one.